here we are in the coveted Classic 2020 Airstream Classic travel trailer. This is the 30-foot rear bed. So there's a queen back there. And you know, the Classics, of course, are a lot of people's favorites. And that includes me. I love the Classic. I'm going to do a super quick walkthrough, just highlight some obvious things that stand out to me that I love. And right away, it's the quality, it's the grandness of it, and that's what Classics are known for. So up front, we have this really nice sofa seat, lounge area, and it's not just like any sofa, it's like the real deal sofa. It feels plush, and there's plenty of room for guests and lounging and using it for any activity that you want. Tons of windows in here. You could use this space for something if you wanted to put something in there, like some little tables or stools. I've seen people put ottomans here. You have control panels for lighting and dinette lights, all the accent lights, everything that you would need in your reach here. Cabinetry. The cabinetry in the Classics is beautiful. It's heavy duty, high quality, lots of space, really nice finishing. So into the kitchen, you have your classic dinette, which converts to a bed. Lots of space again for storing things. You have a TV in here. You have your power control panels for all of your electronic gadgets. It looks like the dinette functions off of this button here. And into the kitchen, you have an extension top, so you can extend your countertop even longer. This is a beautiful countertop. There's a little umbrella holder down here, more lighting buttons to control all of your lighting. You have your sink with these flush countertop lay-ins inserts. This is a really large residential style sink with the drip tray. This nice large sink is awesome. It's a Kohler, it's a true residential style and a true residential size. You can get your big pots and pans in here without wrestling. You have a nice window so the cook can get a view. And this version has an oven, which is always a nice plus. You have an oven, you have a stovetop, you have a microwave, you have the hood vent, and lots of upper space. Again, true residential feeling here. This refrigerator does not mess around. If you were to see this refrigerator just standing by itself, you would not think that it is an RV refrigerator. This is a Dometic fridge, and the freezer space and fridge space is top. Moving into the pantry storage areas, we have a fantastic pull-out pantry that you can access from both sides, which is really nice so that you don't do the shuffle in the kitchen. You can access whatever you want from whichever side you're on. More spice cabinets. And then we have this really big wardrobe. There is a hanging wardrobe rod, and it looks like some cedar back there on the wall. Plenty of closet space if you want to bring a lot of clothes on board. We've also seen people convert this and add in their own custom shelving if you really want to utilize some shelf space. This is a ton of space to stack it up. That completes the kitchen. We'll continue back into the bedroom. You have your privacy screen here. You have a sunlight here. This is the second sunlight of the coach. There is another one back there. And a big shower. Let's check out the shower. Plenty of space in here, including a sitting bench, handheld shower, and even a towel bar. Having a nice stand-up shower really makes you feel comfortable. And then having a large bathroom like this is exquisite. This is a top-notch bathroom and it's huge. Let's peek inside. This bathroom feels like it's inside of a house, and I love this full-length mirror to use. That's something that some RVs either have it or they don't, and this definitely has it, where you can get a full-length mirror and really like check yourself out. This bathroom is incredible. Towel heaters, that's amazing. You get a storage cabinet back here, storage cabinet, cubby there, a little slide out drawer, tilt out drawer, more cabinetry under the sink, and another medicine style cabinet here on the wall. Tons of space. The sink is really big, which if you ever get in and like wash your face, it's really nice to have a bigger sink so that you can splash water around and not cause a mess. Gigantic mirror here, towel bars. You have power buttons for your lights, your vents, your tank heaters, your water pump. You have outlets in here so you can plug in your accessory tools. And that's it. It is really a bathroom that causes envy. Now let's check out the master suite. This one is a queen bed, and I really love this because it has walk around space on both sides. So when somebody gets up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, you don't wake up your partner by crawling over them. There is really nice cabinetry for nightstands on both sides of the bed. So you get this nice counter space that goes all the way back. There is an additional cabinet below the drawer to put even more stuff. It's kind of dark down there, but it does go all the way back, and it follows the same footprint as that top counter, so you can see how much you can fit back there. Outlets, USB ports. There's a drawer under the bed. That's great for utilizing every inch in here. It's a nice pillow top mattress. Really nice. And of course, your uppers above the bed as well. And in this bedroom, you can see the wide windows that go all the way around the back, so you can really appreciate your view wherever you are and get some great sunsets and sunrises as you're in your bedroom. There is a TV here. You have your light modes, accent lights, ceiling lights, reading light. You have your ducted systems for your temperatures, and this side of course has the same storage as that side does. Everything is mirrored, so each person can really utilize their space. Now the Classic trailer also has radiant heating, which you can see runs along the side here, and that is only offered in the Classic, and that is a really great feature and adds to your comfortability. So I hope you enjoy this Classic trailer as much as I do. It will always be one of my favorites, and I always enjoy walking through them when I can and just enjoying the little touches that they put in these to make them top of the line. When you walk in it, you definitely feel that luxury, and I hope that you can enjoy it from this quick tour. So thanks so much for watching, and catch us next time.